In this video, I will show you how to change your meeting background before a meeting starts on Microsoft Teams. To start an instant meeting, click Create a Meeting or Join a Meeting. To customize your background as a host or participant, open Background Filters. There are many background options available for you to use. Just click on any of them and the background will change instantly. Or click the Add New button to import a new filter from your device. Select the one you like and click Open. Make sure your audio and speaker are set correctly, then click Join Now.
If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.